Hello and welcome to my channel Green Rose. This is the unboxing of three products. I hope you can guess what is in this. It's written in this HG. Here you can see this is a huge box and it came from Pro Street. It's a helmet box and this, I guess you might have guessed what will be inside this by Guardian Gears. So let's start with the huge package and do watch the whole video. I'll be just unpacking all these packages and not be doing installation or anything, just showing what's inside the package and what I've ordered for my upcoming rides. And do like, share and subscribe to this channel. And if you want to know the price, how much I've got all this product, do comment. And right now let's get rolling with the unpackaging of these three products. So you can see this is Guardian Gears Rhino 70-liter tail bag. You can see it. Many things I can take in this bag. I can see I can carry my jerry cans. Also you can tie up like sleeping mattress on top of it, and inside you can carry clothes to drones to whatever you want, tools, toolkit, whatever you can carry inside. Long ride, say you're going for a 3000-kilometer ride, well and good for this. And this is the tank bag. This is the 28 liters tank bag, and this is not a magnetic tank bag because my bike is, as you know, it's a Hornet, and it's a non-magnetic tank bag. There is a cover on it, like you need to put that cover on the bike and then you need to put the tank bag on that cover. So it's great. Let's open the tank bag first. So there is a combo offer that I got it from Guardian Gears, and you can visit the website. I ordered from the website, not from any other local store. This is the warranty card and details where you what you can do it. And this is the bag. This is the non-magnetic one. So you get these straps to carry in your shoulders like a backpack, and also you can pour it on your tank and put your food for on the go usage, whatever you require, like chargers and batteries. You can stuff things here. So this is the headphone jack. You can keep your mobile inside and pull up the earphone from here, but I would not recommend that because it might tangle with your hands, and while braking or clutching you might feel difficult there and crash. So I would not recommend it. The zippers are really great, the YKK zippers, Y2Ks. Like, see, you can see how rough I'm using it. So this is the rain cover. You can see inside there is this strap that I was talking about. Keep this strap on the bike, you can just keep it, leave it there. So this is kind of anti-slippery, it will stay there, and this will be on the top, and this will be the tank where the petrol tank or whatever, the gas tank. You can open the gas tank, you don't have to open this strap again and again. So you just pull up the bag, open this tank, fill the petrol, pull the bag down, that's it, and the strap stays there. So that's the great reason I went for this, more straps to tie. So that's it, the 28 liters tank bag, that's all inside it. Do use the sanitizer, as you know nowadays what's going on. I hope the 2020 ends soon as possible. Let's unpack the tail bag now. So is the bag. Huge, damn huge. Very close up. That's the close up. Guardian gears, and it's a huge space. You can just stuff inside some things and everything. So let's see if this has straps. Yes, there is the rain cover. Large rain cover. Wonderful. And also warranty card again. You get 12 months warranty, so at least 1 year. You can say that's wonderful. And this is a good mesh. The Cordura mesh is a well padding. Even if you can see here the padding here. If you stuff things inside and put your back on it as a backrest, you can go for a long ride. Works as a backrest. These are some straps you can see to carry, and they have zip tied it. So all the straps are there. Not be doing installation now. There will be another video for installation. So this is the back. You can tie this to a pillion, the rigs where they keep footrest. You can tie this, or the rod where the footrest extends. From the front, you get this too. You can tie this to your railing behind the bike. Just extends. So that's all. So these are there. So your back doesn't stay on the ground, it stays on top. So these are the like padding or say support to keep it stable on the ground. Huge space. Can carry can organize things, carry your clothes, your food, your tools. Also emergency uses, like you can carry your jerry can. Huge bag. You can carry your jerry can for petrol, and also if you want stuff like to keep tiffins or anything. 70 liter is huge bag to carry. So these are the two things I ordered. It was on combo offer. You can visit the website guardiangears.in, I guess. Yes, .in. And these are the two bags that I got it for combo. 70 liters Rhino and 28 liters tank bag. So let's move on to the next package.